I am going to show you. Can you download Facebook or Messenger Lite on your iPhone device? This process will be simple and easy. And you can see I have the Facebook application as well. I don't have the Facebook Lite. So let's check out how can we get it. For this, you need to open your Apple Store in your mobile phone. And once the store will be open, you can see the search bar icon at the right bottom. Just click on it. And in the search bar, you have to search for Facebook Lite. Here you can see I search for Facebook Lite. And here I did not see the application Facebook Lite. And I think the application is not available. Now let's check out for Messenger Lite. The result is same as the previous one. In Apple Store, you cannot get the Facebook Lite or Messenger Lite because Apple won't allow it. If you still want to use it, then what you have to do, simply close this Apple Store and open your Safari browser. And here search for Facebook. On the top, you can see the login into Facebook. In order to use Facebook Lite or Messenger Lite, you need to use the Facebook in your Safari browser. Then you can use that as a Facebook Lite or Messenger Lite. And also, I would not recommend you to get the Facebook Lite on your iPhone with any illegal way because that will be harmful for your account. And it's a reason iPhone won't allow the Lite applications. And that's it.